Doctor?
What happened to the people? Why can't you arrest those that are killing our people? Why is it that ever since Ogoni has been killed, nobody, police have not made any arrest? There have been no arrest, nobody has been arrested. We should go on dialogue with our killers, and we should go engage our killers. Why the people that killed us are living peacefully? And you know we should go and engage. Sir, at this point, you are not being realistic.
I won't say more than that. I will deliver their message to the Commissioner of Police. But my SU want to chip in 1 or 2 words too.
A call for justice and protection of Ogoni land. We, the concerned citizens of Ogoni land, are compelled to raise our voice against the growing wave of violence and insecurity perpetrated by Fulani herdsmen within our communities. The recent attack in Yonkuru, Ebubu, Sogo, Weke, which have resulted in the tragic loss of our innocent lives, have pushed our collective patience to its limit. This act of aggression is unacceptable, or are unacceptable. We have endured enough. Immediately, we demand the immediate, unconditional departure of all Fulani herdsmen from Ogoni land.
Yes,
That continual presence pose a grave threat to the peace and security of our people. Yeah. Should this be ignored? Repeat. Should this be ignored?
No.
And I repeat again. Should this be ignored?
No.
We will be left with no choice. We will be left with no option but to defend ourselves.
Yes.
It will be clearly stated. Any further attack on the lives of the Ogoni people will no longer be reported to the Nigerian police and the security agencies.
Yes.
The people of Ogoni will resort to self-help and self-defense.
Yes.
It's not like the CP is avoiding you. He feels your pains. You understand? But the issue is that CP has been making frantic effort to make sure that all these problems are